Hey RV owners, before you replace that power inlet on your RV, you need to watch this video. Why? Because choosing the wrong inlet could leave you stranded without power, and nobody wants that. Today we're breaking down how to identify your RV's inlet and why it matters. Plus, we'll highlight the two inlets that look super similar but are very different, the L5-30 and the SS2-50. So let's get started. So, what inlet does your RV have? First things first, your RV could have one of several types of inlets. The most common inlets are the 520, TT30, NEMA 1450, L5-30, and SS2-50. But today we're focusing on the locking inlets, specifically the L5-30 and SS2-50. These two look almost identical at first glance, but they're designed for very different power needs. Let's break it down. The L5-30 and SS2-50 look pretty similar, right? But here's the thing, their power capabilities are far from the same. Let's compare them. The L5-30 inlet has an amperage rating of up to 30 amps, a voltage rating of 125, and wattage that goes up to 3,750 watts. It's best for small to medium-sized RVs. The SS2-50 inlet has an amperage rating of up to 50 amps, an operating voltage of 125 or 250 volts, and a max wattage of up to 12,500 watts. It's best for larger RVs with higher power demands. Noticeable difference between the two is that the L5-30 has 3 prongs, a hot, ground, and neutral. The SS2-50 has 4 prongs, 2 hots, neutral, and ground. Now you might be wondering, if the L5-30 has 3 prongs and the SS2-50 has 4, how do they look so similar? Well, the SS2-50 has a hidden prong on the outer ring, and you can see this more clearly on the inlet. If you need more ways to figure out which inlet you have, you can check the amp rating. Look for labels or markings near the inlet. Most inlets will have their amp rating printed somewhere. You could also double check the amperage of the breaker box in your RV. L5-30 inlets can allow for a max power of 3,750 watts, while SS2-50 can provide 12,500 watts. Once you have identified your inlet and ordered your replacement part, replacing it is pretty straightforward. In this video, I won't be walking you through the process, but here's how. First, turn off the main breaker to be sure that there is no electricity for safety. Second, remove the old inlet, unscrew the screws holding the inlet in place, and carefully disconnect the wires from the back. Third, install the new inlet. Connect the wires to the new inlet, hot, neutral, and ground for L5-30, 2 hots, neutral, and ground for SS2-50. Secure the new inlet with the screws. Fourth, turn the main breaker back on. And a pro tip, double check your wiring before you screw everything back in. And if you're not comfortable doing this yourself, don't hesitate to call a professional. At AC Works, we make high-quality RV inlets designed to keep you powered up on the road. Whether you need an L5-30 or SS2-50 inlet, RV adapters, and power cords, our products are built to last and easy to install. Plus, we offer fast shipping and 24/7 support to answer all your questions. Now that you know how to identify your RV's inlet, you can confidently replace it with the right one. No more guessing, no more mismatched parts, just reliable power for your adventures. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on RV power, adapters, and generator cords. If you're ready to upgrade your RV inlet, head over to acworks.com to check out our full range of products. Thanks for watching, and remember, we're here to keep you powered up.